Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a helium balloon tank, and I have never used one of these things or even seen it, but I'm so curious how this is going to work. Let's see. Wow, it's like a whole tank in there. Let's see, does it say anything, any information about it? Not necessarily, but let's see what we got here. We have, it's like a whole tank. I don't even know if I'm supposed to take it out of the box, but okay. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a whole plastic thing wrapped on it here. And here's a nozzle. I guess that's the nozzle I'm going to just strap on it instead. Does it have any instructions, or is it just basically go for it? Oh, here we go. Here's the instructions. So I'm going to have to take off the plastic here and open this up, put the little nozzle on there, and blow up some balloons. So let's give this thing a go. Let's see how I'm going to open this up here. Okay, there's that. Okay, so this is the little nozzle-y thing that the balloon hooks up to. I guess I take off the cap, put this one on. Okay, there we go. Now, let's get out a balloon. So it comes with the balloons, and it comes with some string too. So let's see what we got here. So let's see, let's get the string ready. So let's see, this will probably be enough string for this one here for my first effort. Okay, so now we have a balloon somewhere. Here's a balloon, and we have some string. So let's give this thing a go and see how we do this. So I guess I put this on here. Oh, I have to open it. Okay, tank is open. Okay, wish me luck. Here we go. Ooh. I don't know how big to make it. Okay, we'll go that big. And then I will tie it. Ooh, I don't have access to my thumb. Okay, there. I got it tied. Now let me tie a string onto it. Let me just tie it ahead of time here. Wrap it around. Okay, there's that. Okay, let's see. You think it's filled with helium? Oh, look at that. It's a balloon. It's helium filled. How cool. I just filled my first helium balloon ever in my whole life. Look at that. That was like the simplest thing ever. Well, if you have any kind of party or something like that you want to fill up some helium balloons, man, this is the greatest thing ever. This is so easy. It was so simple, so easy. And look at that. Now I have a helium balloon. So if you have like even helium, like those other types of balloons, those mylar balloons, it'll probably just fill up anything. So you can just have that and fill it up. This one here, I probably could have gotten way bigger. I didn't make this very big at all. But look at that. It's just totally awesome. So cool. Thumbs up for sure, man. Pick up a helium balloon tank kit, man. So it came with this, and it came with everything. Super cool. Super easy to use. GreatWhip, I guess, is the brand. So I'm going to say I'm a total advocate of this. This is awesome. Thumbs up.